Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be basically talking about what I did to my M4. It's crazy. I just wanna say it got a crazy new tune, baby. It got a crazy new tune, and I wanna show you guys, but right now it's warmed up. I can't do anything with the tune. It has to be like right here real quick, cause not gonna lie, it could blow the engine. So yeah, we don't want that. We don't want that. But I'll catch you guys when everything is warmed up, and I'm probably gonna put in some night clips of it, so it's gonna be crazy. So yeah, again, I'll catch you guys in the next segment. I don't know if this is gonna do justice. Let me look. Not gonna lie, it do sound crazy. Ooh, that would have been bad if it was turning left. But that do sound crazy. Like, it's insane. But trust me, the flame tune is even crazier, bro. I'm not even joking. Let me hold it like that. Bro, like I said, bro, the flame tune is literally even crazier. Like, it shoots crazy flames. Like, I'm talking long flames. But yeah, right now we're just on the back roads. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, right now we're on the back roads. There's usually crazy cops here, but I'm not trying to do too much because my ass would get stay reffed. So I'm not risking that. But I'll probably catch you guys on maybe at the gas station or probably just burbling around. But I'm probably gonna head to the gas station. Low-key do need me to get a Red Bull. I got a lot of work I need to do today. I don't know if you guys can see me, but bro, honestly, the cold, I don't think it's cold, but the start, bro, don't get me started on the start. It gets loud. Like, bro, ever since I got that tune, bro, it been getting crazy. You see the stars? Damn, bro. Hold on, let me do that might better. Ready? And that's not even a cold start. And what I like, I just turn the John off, bro. No, but right now, I'm definitely gonna be headed to my gas station real quick. Low-key, I need gas. I'll fill up gas so there would be like better flames. You know what I mean? But just in the meantime, I will catch on once we're on the way. Cause right now I'm probably just gonna drive chill. And like I said, what's weird about this tune is literally it has to be like warm. Like I'm talking like I don't think like it has to be like that dash right there. Not this one. It have to be under 250. And that's just the normal where it starts. But I have to drive it first because I don't want to mess up the engine. I don't want to mess up anything. But yeah, I'll catch you guys once we're at the gas station. I'm not even joking, bro. I just shot one of my craziest flames. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, bro, I felt it. Like, in my whole car felt it. Like, I'm not even joking. That was actually flipping insane. Yeah, I just had to check for my blind spot. Because not gonna lie, with this tint, it's quite hard to see. No, well, not hard, just because I got the light on right now. I really see way better. But right now we're just headed to the gas station, and I'm about to finally fill this bad boy up full. And yeah, let's see what happens after that. I might hit like a back road to show you all the flames. You know what I mean? Show you all the flames. It would be way better. I can't see shit. I don't know if y'all felt that, but yeah, we're just gonna go and see some nice ass flames right now. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's looking crazy, bro. I deadass can't even see anything right now. But yeah, I'll catch y'all once we're at the pump. Bro, YouTube need to hook up with the copyright shit. Like, I need to listen to music and you know record. But yeah, finally, like, we got here. There's hella like people out, but I'm about to go and fill that John up with gas. Let's see how much you guys think it would take though, low key. I think it's gonna take a bit, low key. I think it's gonna take a minimum like $65. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Right now, the gas prices are low key cooked. But I hope this shit takes what's called whatever it is. Well, let me check real quick. Please, come on. Okay, right there. It looks like we're good. Is it a debit card? Hell no. Cause not gonna lie, it sends me in sometimes. But let me lock in real quick. right there. But yeah, I'll catch y'all when this is full. I'm probably gonna get a Red Bull too. Then we can head out for a little cruise and then, you know, pop some flames and shit. I'll catch you guys once we're in the car. Like that, I just lost so much aura. I tripped over this, bro. Now, but right now, I would say it would be around 60 something. 60 something. Yeah, that's what I would guess. But bro, this not gonna look so fucking sexy. This John Shoot plays, and I got a bunch of other stuff coming up. But I'll catch y'all whenever everything's done. I'm probably gonna grab my everything, grab my Red Bull, and then that should be good after that. But yeah, let's get it, boys. I'm gonna lie, Red Bull needs to make better flavors. No, like this is my favorite, but they need to bring white peach. But this is coming with me right now. That's what we gonna get. That's gonna hype up the night though, for surely, for surely. I'm not even joking. M4 might be the best ever, but this shit looks so nice. But there's a random dog running over there. I don't want that motherfucker next to me. But they should 52. That's not bad. Pre-fuel startup. Hold on, let me just put the windows down. Oh, this shit sounds fun, bro. This shit, I'm not even joking, bro. This actually sounds insane. Like I dead ass love this car. Like bro, you can mod it. I'm gonna be making crazy YouTube videos with it, and I'm probably gonna make an auto show right now. Just pull up and gas that shit, and let's see if it shoots flames or not. It's literally the only thing I don't like about it, bro. It's so fucking dark. Oh, it's gonna be a flame right now. I don't mind. But that was a flame. Bro, I'm not even joking. Like, bro, this car is loud. Like OEM burbles and just even full burbles on, like nowhere near this loud. It's because it got that flame tune. But not gonna lie, I need to get the flame tune retuned, because it's giving it a cam, which is kind of weird. But I'll show you. I might have an example. I might have some videos on the phone of it. But yeah, that's what kind of sucks about it. Low key, I don't like it, because it's gonna mess up the car if I keep on the cam tune, which is the flame tune. But that's literally the only problem. I'm probably gonna talk to my tuner about it and be like, hey, like, can you fix this? And let's hope he can fix this. He probably could fix it, actually. But yeah, right now we're probably gonna head to the spot and kind of get off some like revs. I'm trying to go to a really dark spot. Give off some revs, and let's see if this shit shoots. Well, it does shoot flame. Let's try to capture some crazy flames. So let's get to it. Once we're at the spot, I'll probably show me. Man, actually no, not burbling around. I'm gonna head to the spot right away. Watch. Alright guys, so today, honestly, bro, I think it's gonna be a great video. I don't know, but look, let me tell y'all, I haven't washed this car in a long ass time, and like, no, I would say like I haven't washed this in 2 weeks, and I don't want the carbon because it's already messing up. I don't want it to get even worse. But let me give y'all a quick cold start. Alright, not gonna lie, bro. I gotta thank the valves, bro. They really do their thing. The valves do help me out a lot, because sometimes I could never cop passes, because a lot of cops know my address and shit, because I've gotten pulled over so many times. They just, I don't know if it's bro, it's weird. They just dead ass pull up. But I'm gonna get a P.O. box for my plate, because, you know, eventually, you know. But that's like a later thing. But right now, I don't know if I want to go to a self-wash where it automatically washes for me with like nothing on the car and shit. It's like soap, everything. Or should I go do it myself? I'm still trying to figure out. But yeah, bro, it's a great day today. I think we might go to a meet today. So I want you guys to stay tuned, because not gonna lie, this is going to be shooting crazy flames, bro. I'm telling you guys. And also, I'm going to insert a clip that I made yesterday. It's a short, but I'm just going to insert it anyways, because just why not? Alright guys, I'm trying to see if I'd be able to get some nice flames for y'all. Let's make sure nobody's behind me. See, like I said, bro, this flame tune is fucking crazy. I'm not even joking, bro. Like this tune is literally on a whole different level. That was 100% flame. Damn, but tight turn, bro. Oh my god. Thank God, no scrapes. That shit was fucking, that shit's loud. Alright, so we just got to the self-wash, and I dropped my phone. So we just got to the self-wash, and so what I think I'm gonna do is just wash it real quick, and try to get all the dirt off, then we just hit the road, because I think we got a meet that we gotta go to low-key. I can get shit ton of content through there, but hopefully we go. We might go, but I think we are gonna go. We're gonna be rocking like 3 or 4 people. It's gonna be probably, honestly, I don't know what car we're taking, but I know I might take my car, because, you know, we gotta show off to the tune. But it's just like a meet and show. I don't really be going to the crazy takeovers. No, I don't like takeovers. Last time I've been to a takeover, somebody got pee-peed right next to me. I'm not even joking, bro. That shit was scary. Then I just left. It's not my timing. And that's when I actually started doing YouTube. So yeah, let me just finish that real quick. I'm probably gonna get some cool clips in real quick. And yeah, let's hit the road once we're done. Oh, which one? AMAC, blah, blah, blah. Alright, no, I'm not gonna lie, flexing is kind of crazy. But we're gonna get that done, and then it should turn on, right? I think that's how it is, right? Let's do the rinse first, and then we can do the soap for this John. So let's get it. This car is literally begging for a car wash. I'm not even joking. Like, honestly, I take care of it. I take care of the car, but it just work. It's just been taking like crazy time out of my day. But yeah, I'm just gonna get this done, and then we're gonna hit the road and see what we're gonna do next. This is looking extra clean. Look at all this shit, bro. That, bro, I made sure to put my heart and soul into this. But my hands, I need to do more arms. But not gonna lie, this actually looks good. Well, decent for this type of wash. It's kind of weird because look how shiny this is. Bro, you can literally see the shine off it. It's actually crazy. But I forgot a dryer. I forgot like a towel to get, which kind of sucks, bro. Yeah, I'm actually so pissed. And now I guess I gotta sunbathe. Yeah, I mean, now we gotta just dry in the sun, which kind of sucks, but I wanted to get it all done, but I guess I can't now. I'm actually so mad, bro. I'm actually so mad. At least this car got a shower. Let's see this shit. Oh, I really don't want to do this real quick. Oh my god, that's so bad. Bro, did I tell you guys, bro, my windshield is literally cracked. I got like a small crack right here, then extended all the way down there. I gotta get this whole thing replaced. But the only reason I don't, cause bro, I got tint on this, and bro, it's gonna be, you know, it's gonna cost some, you know, monions to get the tint back. It was like 300, I think, but everywhere around 600. But I need a tint plug for sure. I need a tint plug for sure. But right now we're just gonna hit the road. I might get me Red Bull. Okay, I'm tired of shit. Well, I'm not tired, but I just want a Red Bull. You know, who doesn't like Red Bull? Cause not gonna lie, Red Bull, you gotta sponsor me, bro. I've been spending so much money on y'all. Like, if you guys want somebody to drift for y'all team, choose me. Even though you guys already got a crazy drifter, but bro, right now we're just gonna hit the road, and then we're just gonna see what we gonna do next. Cause I think the meet might be confirmed. No, I know there's gonna be a meet anyways today. I know there's gonna be crazy meet today. But worst case, I just go myself. Let me check if the meet, and also thank y'all, bro. Not gonna lie, bro, it's been blowing up. I don't know why I have all this. Give me a sec. I gotta clear my browse history. Oh my god, bro, it's like a non-ending. Oh yeah, look. Not gonna lie, y'all been like crazy with the support, bro. I'm not even joking. Like, you know, this is 1,920, and then you got this one I just posted of me just doing shooting flames, and that's the one that's gonna actually be in the video. So I can't really say much. But right now we're just gonna hit the road, probably stop at a gas station, grab me a Red Bull, and then we can kick it on from there, you know what I mean? And let's just get to the next segment, ASAP, boys. So you guys already know, we got the essential, bro. And I think right now we might just park up, and we might go, I don't even know. But we're gonna do something crazy for y'all, and I might go to the meet. I'm gonna see how far it is. If none of them wanna go, I'll probably just go for you guys and get some clips and shit. But for now, I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna chill and might go grab something to eat. I'm probably gonna film that. But all I'm gonna say, quick leak, the M4 is getting something new. So whoever gets it right, it's gonna be $50 or $100, whoever gets it right. So yeah. So right now we're just gonna head down and already got the essentials that we need. And I'll catch y'all once we're doing something. I'm actually so mad, bro. They just told me that was a fake flyer that they made, bro. So the meat thing is not gonna happen. Bro, I'm actually so mad because I wanted to end the video there. But you know what? Oh well, what can we do? But hey, if you guys tuned in so far to this video, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And it's your boy Dex, and I'm out.